Good morning. Hope everyone's been doing good. I know it's been a couple of days since I put out a video. Turned out I was getting sick. But we are feeling better now. Slept till about 10:30 this morning. It's 11:03 a.m. now here in Louisiana. Nice little storm going on outside. Got some rain. But we also got our coffee and our charts. So let's get into it. Okay. We are here on the daily, on the BTC chart. Looks like we could be pinching off here, which would be bearish divergence here on the daily. You see our price have been getting higher and higher, but our momentums are getting lower and lower. Money flow coming down, VWAP towards that zero line. We could have a little cool off coming. We obviously can't break 46. Major resistance there. But you see, you got your deep wave, your high, much lower wave, but a higher price. So definitely some bearish divergence going here on the daily. Just cut her in half, go down to the 12 hour. More bearish divs. Money flow has crossed into the red. We have support around 40,000. Almost nailed it completely. This green box here. Do I still have my red box? Doesn't look like I do. This green box is, or this line is just where I'd be looking to trade. I did have a red one up here, right? So we come to these ranges. What is it? Because this looks like a pretty defined top, right? This is pretty defined bottom, and you can back test it. See, and that would have been perfect. Long from 40,000 too. I don't think I was paying attention then. I just so happened to look at my phone yesterday, and I got in at 42.9 on that wick down. We just started dumping. So money flow is in the red. Momentum could be curving back up. We do have bear divs confirmed on the 12 hour, on the daily. Keep an eye on that. We could see a cool down. Doesn't mean we're going to go back below 40K, but we could see a cool down between 40 and 43. Let's keep looking. 8 hour. Red dot. Money flow coming down. Yep. Looking like, oh, that's a goddamn blood diamond on the 4 hour. Not confirmed. We still got 3 hours before it's confirmed, but I'd keep an eye out, especially with one being back here. Yeah. Watch out for the blood diamonds now. If anyone knows about market cipher, you know about the blood diamonds. We have a red dot right around the zero line. Probably going to see a bit of a cool off here. Money flow is still up. Still over in the green. She could be coming back down though. Now, if we do close candles around 40K here, and our momentum is still higher than what we have back here, that would be bullish divergence. So we will keep an eye on that. Let's go here to the 2 hour. Red dot on the 2 hour. Zoom out a bit. That's our deepest anchor wave. Excuse me. Okay, so here's our high. We made higher highs. Excuse me again. Yeah, so I don't think that's bearish. Dibs on the 2 hour. Let's go down here to the 1 hour. Yeah, see, that little dip down, I caught it right in the beginning. I got back in at 42.9. Yeah, so about right here. But it was on one of these wicks down. Because I went into I was like $1 negative. I said, oh shit, maybe I fucked up. But we was getting this major on the 1 minute, I feel like. A very deep wave. But also here, we have made lower lows. As you can see, lower lows. We put in higher highs on our momentum. Bullish div. And you see what happened. I mean, you can see what happened. Right it up to a deep momentum wave red dot. I wouldn't have closed it around here, but anything past that 60, something deep, at least close half. Okay. Yeah, see, I mean, look at that blood diamond. What it did. That blood diamond, it still did stuff. They play out. This one. So watch it on the 4 hour. Watch that blood diamond on the 4 hour. She could not confirm. She could fucking go away. We'll see though. Let's see. Break it down a little more local. The 30 minute. We are hitting some buy zones. You might just play through this. You see? Play through it. Continue to the upside. Wanting to print a bottom, but we are not making lower lows than these deep momentum waves here. And it would be pretty significant move down to where I'd say this momentum wave would be deeper. So I don't see bull dips on this 30 minute. Not looking bullish on the local charts. Money flow is crossing into the red on the 24. Coming down on the 30. The 24. It is coming down. It could curve up. It could float on that line. Oh, it's already in the red. It's already in the red. Blood diamond on the 15, on the 12. You see how these things play out. You see how they play out on these smaller time frames. They can do the same thing on the higher time frames. Some of them not so much. Some of them are just indicating a crash is coming. Look out. Like, yeah, it might take a second. Crash is coming. Usually a crash comes after a blood diamond. Even if you get a move up, still got to move down from that blood diamond. 6 minute. Pretty low. Lower and lower and lower. Prices lower and lower and lower. We're getting close, yeah, right here. This wick is where I took my long, super deep anchor wave. I said, I feel good about that. I feel like that could be a sign of a bottom. This one. I was able to catch it about right here. Just kept going. I'll pull up my Mexi in a second. So price has been getting lower. You see, generally been getting lower. Momentum's getting higher. RSI's low, starting to tighten up. I need that money flow crossover. If I can catch the money flow on the 1 minute, it start lining up with the 3 minute and the 6 minute. I'll probably try to long today. But I'm gonna wait. I need it to line up with the 12 and 24. That's where I'm taking my trades at today. I'm looking on the 1 minute. And then I'm confirming on the 2 and the 3. I'll look at the 6 to confirm my 2 and 3s. And then the 12 and 24 will tell me if I'm going to pull the trigger in the right direction. So overall, we could see a little bounce from here, but on these higher time frames, I'd say we got some movement to the downside more than likely. So manage your trades wisely. Baby's awake. I guess that'll do it for me. I was wrapping up anyway. Y'all have a cool one. I'm out. I lied. I wanted to show that trade I took last night. Alright, I'm going to actually show that trade last night too. Because I'm almost got my 25 up to 50. I've almost doubled it. I have taken some losses. Very minimal. My wins have definitely been a lot higher than my losses. Orders. Future orders. Let's see, order history. Close my long. Yeah, I opened it right here. 42,966. The whole way up. Took profit. And then I wanted to go to sleep and just leave it open, but I've been trading they're coming into my second year now. For over a year, I'm coming into my second year now, and I've taken so many losses when I've been in the profit. Like, it's all about psychology. It really is. And now I never go to sleep without taking my profit. Even if, because I had $1.1788, so that's over $2 I was up, right? And I know it doesn't seem like a lot yet, but 25, you're not gonna get a lot. But you do it the right way. You build it up like I'm doing. It will become a lot. One day this 25 will be $1,000, and I'm recording it all for you all to see. It doesn't matter. I could have started with 10. I would have took that 10 and turned it to 1,000, taking 10 cents every fucking time. Because I'm not losing. Don't lose. Doesn't matter how much you win, even if it's a penny richer. That's all that matters. And with leverage, that penny can be up to fucking $10. Come on. Alright. So yeah, I took that trade. Let's check our... I guess I could have just went here. Let's check the 25. How much do we got from the 25? Should hit. Don't remind. We got 46.92, almost 47. So we need to bring it up $3 to have doubled what we started with. Feel good about it. I feel like I can make $3 today. I'm feeling good. Got the time, as long as the baby will let me. It's rainy, so I can't take her outside and play. She's gonna have to play in the house today. But I hope everyone has a good day. God bless you all.